Shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby Shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby Shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby Shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on Shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby Shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby Shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby Shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Kick, 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 spot, spot, spot. Cutie Kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm went crazy showed. When a moo moo here and a night like rain.
always come along.
Keep us stay fun everywhere. Wow! Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show! Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mute, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Books bounce over her head. Whoa, moo moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splashing splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, drums, this is fun. Oink, 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 slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, please. Rooster shouts, no, 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 ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh. Oh no. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty crumbs, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Wow! Mr. One, where are you? Oh no! Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. Said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Oh no! Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Five, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Wow! Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 10. Yay, let's dance. Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. Wow. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. Oh no! Side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Why do they fix the train? All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. Oh no! Kitty woke up feeling weird, haunted. Something's wrong, I'm a bit feared. She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sam! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bad, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Nah. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
Kitty, you've come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away.
Much better.
Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win! She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap.
Wonderful news, Kitty.
All is good, no more scare.
Okay.
Help is fun when friends care.
There you go. Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Ooh. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way too